Today I am going to discuss chapter number 1. Chapter number 1. Chapter number 1, real number along with exercise 1C. So before I start exercise 1C, first you have to know some key theorem like fundamental theorem of arithmetic. What is fundamental theorem of arithmetic? First I will give the example of composite number. Let me say the composite number 6. You see what are the factors of C? Factors of C you see here 2, 3, 3, 1. So factors of 6 means 2 into 3 into 1. So there are how many factors? 3 factors. That's why 6 is a what number? Composite number. Last video I discussed what is composite number. The number which have more than 2 factors, that is called composite number. So from the composite number we will give the definition, we will give the statement of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So what is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic? You can search in your textbook page number 8. According to fundamental theorem of arithmetic, every composite number can be expressed or factorized, can be expressed as product of primes, and this factorization, is unique. Unique means they are different to each other. You see here 2, 3 and 1. So each and every numbers are different to each other. You see here 2 means 2 into 1, 3 means 3 into 1 also you can say. So there are how many factors? 3 factors. Each and every numbers, they are what? Unique. Not only unique, this composite number what? Expressed as product. Product means what? Multiply. These are we call multiply. Product of what? Prime. Prime number, last video I discussed, the number which have how many factors? 2 factors. That is called prime number. So you see here 2. You see here 2 means what? 2 into 1, or you can 3 means 3 into 1. So each and every numbers how many factors? 2 factor and itself, that is called what? Primes. And this factorization is unique. Unique means they are different to each other. Not only unique, they are what? Also they are apart. Also they are what? Apart from the order. Order means we have to write in state-wise. State-wise means you have to write in order-wise. That is called order. Not only order, also there you have to write in. You see here how much? 2, 3 and 1. So after 2 is what? 3. Also you can say this one 1 into 2 into 3. So order-wise we write. That's why here is given what? Order. Not only order in which the prime factors are, means they are what? Prime factors. These are the what? Prime factors. That is called what? Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now we'll move the exercise 1C. Before I start exercise 1C, I'll give the mathematical form of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Mathematical form of fundamental short form theorem, also I can write theorem of arithmetic. Mathematical fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So last video I discussed A and B, these two are what numbers? These two are positive numbers. If A and B are positive numbers, according to fundamental theorem of arithmetic, A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. So this is mathematical form. So we will apply this one in your textbook exercise 1C. Exercise 1C. Question number 1, Roman 1. You see in your textbook question number 1, Roman 1, what is given? Find the prime factorization of the following numbers. Find the prime factorization of 96. Here 96 has given. So you have to find the factors of 96, prime factors of 96. How we will find? We have to take the factors. First we will divide it by lowest number 2. If 2 can 3, 3 can 4, 4 can 5. You have to go order wise. So you see here 6 is what number? Even or odd number? 6 is even number, so it will divisible by even number. So I mean 2 for the 8, carry 1 here. 1 and 6 become 16. 2 how much? 16. 2 8 the 16. Next divisible by 2. 2 to the 4. 2 for the 8. Next 2 1. 2 to the 4. Here 2 6. 2 3. 2 6 the 2 3 how much? Or 2 2 how much? 3 here. Then 3 1. Then 2 how many times here? You see 1 2 3 4 5 times. So 96 means 2 5 times into 3 into 1. So this is the factors form of prime factors form of 96. So next question number 1, Roman 2. We will move now Roman 2 question. You can see in your textbook 1C question number Roman 2. Question number 1 Roman 2. Question number Roman 2, what is given? 408. Same way we have to do. So first you find the prime factors. Factors of 408. What are the factors? By taking LCM 2, 2 0, 2 4 the 8. Here 2 1 the 2 0, 2 how much? 2 to the 4. Next divisible by 2, 2 5 the 10 1. So you see here last digit number is even, so divisible by even. So here also 2 even. So next one is odd, so it will divisible by odd number. So how much here? Next 3. 3 1 the 3. Carry how much? 2. 2 and 1 become 21. 3 7 21. Next 7 is odd number, so direct 17 1. So what are the factors you got? These are the factors. So you write in prime factors form. So 2 how many times here? 3 times. 2 3 times, and then 3 only 1 times, and 17 into 1. Whether you write 1 or not, it's up to you. Next Roman 3. You can see in your textbook 2025. So same procedure we have to follow. 2025. So these are the factors. These factors are 2025. First divisible by how much? 2025. It will divisible by 3. So 3 6 the 18 here. Then how much? Carry 2. Then 2 become 2 21. 3 7 21. Carry 1 1 on 5 15. 3 5 the 15. Again divisible by 3. 3 to the 6. Then again divisible by how much? 3 to the 6. Carry 1 3 5 the 15. Next again divisible by 3. 3 7 21. Carry 1 1 and 5 become 15. 3 5 the 15. Next again divisible by 3. 3 to the 6. Carry 1 1 and 5 15. 3 5 15. Again 5 5 5 25. 5 and 1. So what are the factors? These are the factors. So 3 how many times here? 3 4 times. 3 4 times. 3 4 times, and 5 2 times and 1. Next we'll move question number 2. You see in your textbook question number 2. Express 16380 as prime factors. Same procedure we have to follow for this number also. 16380. 16380. So same procedure we have to follow. You can write right hand side to your copy like this way. You write 16380. So first divisible by 2. 2 8 the 16. So then 2 how much here? 1. Carry 1. 2 and the 2. Here 3. So carry 1. 1 and 9. 1 and 8. Sorry. 1 and 8 18. 2 9 the 18. Here 0 direct. then 2 how much here, 2 for the 8, so 1 can't divisible, so you give here 0, then how much, 2 9 the 18, here carry 1, 2 5 the 10. You see here why I give here 0, you can ask me here, 2 for the 8, but according to you want to write 2 9 the 18, it is not correct. Why? Look here, this number and this number multiply will get this one and this one multiply will get this one, but if you didn't write 0, then how much will get, you see 4495 multiplied by 2, how much will get, 2 5 the 10, carry 1, 2 9 the 18, 18 and 1 become 19, carry 1, 2 for the 8, 9, so 990, but here is how much, 8190. That's why you look here again, I'll repeat this one, 2 for the 8, 1 cannot divisible by 2, so you carry again, no, if you carry twice then you have to give 0, that's why I give here 0, so 2 9 the 18 and then 1 here, 1 and 0 10, 2 5 the 10. Next 4095 you divisible by 3, so then 3 1 the 3, then carry 1 here, then 1 and 0 10, 3 3 the 9, again carry 1 here, 3 6 the 18, carry 1 5 15, 3 5 the 15, so again this one 1 3 6 5, again how much it will divisible by 3 divisible, 3 4 the 12, carry 1, 3 5 the 15, carry 1, 3 5 the 15, 4 5 5, then how much it will divisible by 3 cannot, so it will go by 5, 5 9 the 45, then here 5 1, so 91 divisible by how much here, 7 1 the 7, so carry how much, 2 and 1 become 21, 7 3 21, next 13 and 1, so what are the factors, is equal to, you write in exponential form. Exponential means we have to write in powers. 2 is 2 times, 3 how many times, 2 times, 5 only 1, 7 1, 13 1 and 1, so you write in exponential form, 2 square, 3 square, 5 into 7 into 13 into 1. So next we'll move question number 2 finish. So next we'll move question number 3. You can see in your textbook question number 3 Roman 1, what is given, 49896. So same procedure we have to follow. Answer 49896. So again we'll do, okay, we'll do next page, we'll continue this one. 4986. So we'll write right hand side to your copy, 49896. It will divisible by how much, 2 to the 4, 2 for the 8, carry 1, 2 9 the 18, 2 for the 8, 2 8 the 16. Again divisible by 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 for the 8, carry 1, 2 7 14, 2 for the 8. So again divisible by 2, 2 6 the 12, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 7 the 14, carry 1 here. So then how much this one, 2 can divisible? No, because you look at 7 is a what number? You see here 7 is what number? Odd number. So it is divisible by 3. So 3 to the 6, then here 2 3. So again same thing here, 2 cannot divisible by 2. So again you have to carry 3. So then it will give 0. So 3 how much here? 3 7 21. So here carry 2 and 7 27, 3 9 the 27. So again divisible by how much here? 3 6 the 18, carry 2 and 7 27, 3 9 27, 3 3 the 9. Again divisible by 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9 1. So then this one 2 3 1, it will divisible by how much again? Again divisible by 3. You see here 3 7 21, carry 2 and 1 21, 3 7 21. Again 77 7 and how much? 11 1. So what are the factors? 49896 is equal to, you have to write in exponential form, 2 3 times 3, you count how many times here, 3 4 times, and then 7 single, this is single. So you write exponential from 2 power 3 into 3, how many times you got here, 3 4 times, and then 7 into 11 into 1. So next we'll move question number Roman 2 with same question number 3. 8 7, you can see in your textbook, 874 944. Same procedure we have to follow like previous question. So you can write right hand side to your copy if you have no space here. 874 944, first divisible by 2, 2 4 the 8, 2 3 the 6, here carry 1, 2 7 the 14. So 9, 2 4 the 8, carry 1, 2 7 14, 2 to the 4. So again 2, 2 to the 4. So here 2 on the 2. Then how much here, carry 1, 2 8 the 16, 1 carry, 2 7 14. Here 2 3 the 6, 2 6 the 12. So again you see here, this one 6 also, this one also divisible by 2, 2 on the 2. But here 1 cannot divisible by, 1 can divisible, no. So you have to give here 0. Then how much here, 2 9 the 18. Then again here how much, 2 3 the 6. So carry 1, 2 6 the 12, 2 8 the 16. Again divisible by how much here, 2, 2 5 the 10, 2 4 the 8. Then how much here, 2 5 the 10, 2 4 the 8, carry 1 here, 1 and 3 13, 2 6 the 12, carry 1, 1 6 16, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8. So again it will divisible by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 7 14, carry 1, here 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 to the 4. So you see here in your question. So again divisible by 2, 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, here 1 13, 2 6 the 12, 2 7 the 14, 2 1 here. Then again divisible by how much here, 3, 3 4 the 12, carry 1, 16, 3 5 the 15, carry 1, then 1 and becomes 17. Then how much here, 17, then 3 5 the 15, carry 2, 2 1 21, 3 7 21. So again divisible by how much here, 3, 3 you can check here, 3 3 3, this one 3 also you can divisible, 3 how much, 3 1, carry 1, 1 and 5 15, 3 5 the 15. So then again 3 1, here carry 2, 27, 3 9 27. So again this one will divisible by how much here, 1 5 1 9. So this 1 5 1 9, 3 3 5 the 15, but this one cannot. So it will divisible by 7, 7 to the 14. So then 7 to the 14, then carry 1 here, then again how much here, 7 1 the 7. Then how much here, carry 4, so 7 7 49. So then this one 2 1 7, 2 1 7. So again this one divisible by how much, 7 7 3 21, 7 1. So next 31 1. So what are the factors? So you see here 8 7 4 9 4. You can write in exponential form. You count here how many times, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 6 times, and then 3 how many times, 3 2 times, and then 7 how many times, 7 2 times. You have to write step by step. Next 31 into 1. So these are the answer in your question. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.